This is really ridiculous.
Next.
Finally.
Aren't these a little small?
They're making a comeback.
Will that be cash or credit?
Credit.
Maybe your card was blocked?
I'm unblockable.
What about a chip?
I got 6. But I'm gonna get stupid and get out of here. Come on. So normal. Why is that line moving so fast?
They're paying with digital currency. Crypto, tokens, points, you name it.
I do have the most points.
It's fast, it's flexible.
Not unlike my 50-year yoga practice.
You should check it out.
You should check me out.